Project quality management, there are only 3 processes, but there are a lot of questions on this. For 3 processes, just check the plan that you have and tell me how many questions you are going to get on quality management. You have the plan with you.
20.
So that's something big, right? So you get a lot of questions on these 3 processes. There are a lot of tools and techniques which many times you don't use. So you need to spend some time understanding them. But once you understand, good thing is almost all the tools and techniques are common across. So you understand them once and use on all the 3 processes. So the questions you will be able to answer. Before that, you have to understand certain concepts. What is the difference between quality and grade? Grade. Quality and grade. So when we are talking about grade, we are talking about number of features that a product has, and when we are talking about quality, we are talking about how they are implemented. So if we talk about Windows 7 that I use, let's say Windows 7 Home, Professional and Basic. So Basic has least number of features, Home has slightly more, and Professional has most of the features. So these 3 are different grades. Now if I say that Professional hangs most of the times and Windows Home works very well, what does it say? Quality of Windows Home is better than quality of Windows Professional. So when we are talking about the number of features, so many things you get, you are talking about grade. And how well those features work or how well those features are implemented, you are talking about quality. Next you have to understand is difference between precision and accuracy. Supposing you are measuring diameter of tablets, something like between, let's say 10 mm to 12 mm. You are measuring that, and the tolerance range that you have kept is between 10 and 12 mm. Accurate you want is 10.5. When you measure, let's say 100 tablets, there is one tablet that is exactly 10.5. There are 80 tablets which are in the range of 11 and 11.2. 80 tablets are in the range of 11 and 11.2. One exactly 10.5 and the remaining ones are scattered. So what can you conclude from this information? The exactly one, that is 10.5, is accurate. The precision value, most of the tablets are between 11 and 11.2. Let us just say that all of them are 11.1. Then the precision value will be 11.1. Why do you need to know the precision value? You can check, like if you are getting most of them in that range, maybe you can change the diameter of the actual product and get them in true range, if that helps, of course. Well, about modern day quality approach, all of us are well aware. Till PMBOK 3, the major tool in quality was inspection. You inspect, find out the problems and correct them. Now they say be proactive. Inspection comes later, prevention first. Prevent the problems. So prevention over inspection is something people say now. PDCA, plan, do, check, act, is continuously done for all the products so that you can improve the quality. One interesting thing is senior management is actually responsible for the quality of deliverables, quality of your project. So if the quality is not good, try telling your stakeholders that it is senior management's responsibility. When you are talking about quality, many times the matters are subjective and you need to draw a careful plan for quality management. This is one planning process on which you get some questions. Till now I have told you that you don't get questions on plan scope management, plan cost management or schedule management. No, this is not the process. This is where you will get.